Hello everyone, welcome to another part of our Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 13, an absolutely phenomenal principle. I've been saying that a lot recently, but this one is exceptionally good, okay? So Dr. Wayne Dyer in this part is really talking about how your thoughts transform your life, okay? What you think about expands. This really idea that we talk a lot about on this channel and a lot about with this kind of content, about the subconscious mind and how you can really transform your life by getting it to either work for you or against you, as he basically explains. So I talk a lot about this one, so I don't think we have to go super in depth here, but let me just give everybody who doesn't quite know all this stuff just the basic model of it. So the subconscious mind's outside of our awareness, and it is in control of so many things in our life, and it's basically just below our conscious level, and it's where our beliefs are, and it projects our expectations in the future. It's where we get so many of our emotions out of, all that kind of jazz. And because we can't directly control that, it's in that area that is the gray area of the subconscious mind. So in that area, what we think about, what we do, that kind of stuff, expands our beliefs, expands what our mind thinks we are capable of. So it's like Napoleon Hill's idea of either swimming upstream or downstream. You could swim upstream against the current of the negative attitude, just like working all the time and still getting swept along downstream. Or you could get in the river that goes the way you want it to go, and you just like sit back and enjoy the ride as it takes you there. And that's the subconscious mind. You really need the subconscious mind on board with you. And Dr. Wayne Dyer really believes in this kind of concept, and he's really diving into it with this principle that what we think about expands. We can either like have our world work for us or against us. So you might as well have it work for you, is what he's saying. Anyway, that's the basic idea here. Check out my other videos if you haven't already that can really get in depth on this kind of stuff. And I will see you guys next time with the next video. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you then.